Today is a busy day, but it can still get a boost. It can be convenient.
Hey Google, when's my next meeting?
Next up, you have meeting at the office today at 10 a.m.
And it can be flexible. Today can give you exactly what you need, no matter how much you are juggling. You can always use some extra fun.
Hey Google, lights on.
Because when the work is done, you want to enjoy every minute. For when you want to give every day a boost, there's the Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 4G LTE. Simply boost it.
Finally, a Bluetooth scale that does more than tell your body weight. Introducing the Renpho Bluetooth Digital Scale Model ES-CS20M. Through our integrated software, you can download the Renpho Fitness app through your app store to pair seamlessly via Bluetooth. Our bright 3.5-inch LED display shows your weight, while the Renpho Fitness app shows you much more. Once paired to your smart device, you'll be able to set goals, track your progress, view your BMI, water weight, body fat percentage, bone mass, and much more. You can also create unlimited profiles for you and your family. With our 1-year warranty and top-notch customer service, you can rest assured that you've made the right choice in purchasing Renpho.
Are you ready to take the intensity of your workouts up a notch? Nayoya's weighted gloves are designed to improve power, agility, coordination, endurance, and arm and shoulder strength in every movement. Easily take on and off, ensuring they stay in place with a secure adjustable closure. Made of neoprene, with a well-balanced construction to cushion hands, these gloves are comfortable and effective. Easily pack the weighted gloves in a workout bag or carry on for extra intensity anywhere you travel. At 1 pound each, these gloves add just the right amount of weight to strengthen and tone arms and shoulders. One size fits all to impact anyone's routine. They're great for use in kickboxing, MMA, treadmill workouts, and brisk walks for improved hand speed, coordination, and endurance. Add power to your workouts without weighing you down. Nayoya's weighted gloves pack a big punch, providing that extra intensity needed to sculpt a toned upper body.